I am Alan, Corporate Chef for FEM. Today working on the Hamilton Beach commercial food blenders, in particular HBF 600. And with that we're going to make Thai green curry paste. We've got chilies, garlic, olive oil and fish sauce, a little bit of coriander, some dried spices, lime peel, lemongrass, shallots and garlic. Okay, so let's fill the HBF 600 with the ingredients. In with the olive oil, fish sauce, some chili peppers, we've got the shallots, we've got garlic, we've got all the coriander, some dried spices going in, cumin, coriander, lime peel, ginger, and some spring onion. Lid on. We've got the variable speed, we're on chop, we've got a pulse button, so these are all one press, and we've got high speed. So for the paste, we're going to do on the pulse. Just a few seconds on the variable. And finish.